Looking for a better way to organize your jewelry without breaking the bank? You can make custom holders at home using supplies you already have. For necklaces and bracelets, use empty paper towel or toilet paper rolls. Paint or glue fabric or vinyl around the roll and hot glue it horizontally to a candlestick or vertical tube. Decorate with faux flowers for an elegant look. For earrings, necklaces, and bracelets, use decorative branches. Attach the branch to a wooden plaque or a wooden bowl. Spray paint for a striking look. An old grater can be transformed into an earring holder by cleaning and painting it. Add hooks for necklaces and bracelets. Another option is to use plates and a candlestick holder. Draw designs on the plates and glue them together. Use a felted box to store rings and pins, and slide them between folded felt strips. Empty plastic bottles can be used to display rings by pouring plaster inside the glove-covered end. A wooden hanger with screw-in hooks or clasping necklaces and bracelets around the rod is a simple solution.